Going in this time. All set. And away they go. Songbird broke away smoothly in the red cap and is setting off straight for the lead. So Songbird going to make her own pace out here. Halo Darlin down at the rail. Yodel Song right there. VAR Luna between them. Land Over Sea on the outside. The horses are in tight here. A little bit of pushing going on in the second flight. Jade Princess on the far side going up to be second. In behind those we have She's a Milky Way, and right at the back here was right there. Took a few awkward steps into the turn. Looked like she might have been eased, but she is continuing but last. On to the backstretch they go, and Mike Smith has the favourite Songbird, beautiful and relaxed out here. Songbird just on a long rein, takes them along by a length and 3/4. Jade Princess tracks from second, Land Over Sea in third. Halo Darling at the rail, 5 off the leader. Then comes Yodel Song. Behind that, VAR Luna gives them 10 length start. She's a Milky Way next, and last of all is right there. They head past the 3/8 pole now, and it's Songbird still well clear out here. Songbird has the lead by 4. Land Over Sea comes to try and make a race of it now, and Land Over Sea making a little headway on Songbird with a 1/4 mile to go. Then comes Jade Princess, the others of no consequence. They come to the top of the lane, and Songbird, Mike Smith hasn't moved on her yet. Land Over Sea, still gritty from second, is coming to make a race of it. Homeward bound Songbird now just gets the rein shaken at her, and Songbird goes on gamely. Very game run from Land Over Sea, but the fact is Songbird is just plain too classy. It is Songbird, the daughter of Adalio Doro, in another scintillating performance today. Songbird in a romp. Land Over Sea a game second. Right there somehow came on to finish third. VAR Luna was fourth. Unofficial result, winner number 5, Songbird. Second number 7, Land Over Sea. Third number 9, Right There. And fourth number 3, VAR Luna. Result has now been posted official. Today's 9th race is the Grade 1 Rodeo Drive Stakes. Scratch number 5, 3 Hearts.